Hi guys, this is Abhinav. This is Abhijit. We thank you sincerely for subscribing us. Today we proudly announce that we are a channel of 50,000 subscribers right now, and hence we have decided to upload long form videos from now onwards in our channel. And today we have a special car with us, which is the all new i20. Why is it special? Because it is actually my favorite hatchback after Polo got discontinued. We will have some fun with this car, like going sideways and drifting and sliding and all with this car today. And let's see how it performs in sideways department. It doesn't have much power, but it rides quite well. It rides and handles quite well. Let's get driving straight away. Okay, now I am inside the all new i20. I will be drifting this car now with accelerator pedal, and without the handbrake. So the theory is, first I will break the traction with the steering control, and then I'll keep pressing the accelerator. Keep pressing the accelerator so that the power channel to the front wheel, and it goes on sliding. So let's see if I will be able to do this. So this is the corner I will take. Yes, it is good, man. So yeah, this is good for the first attempt. Now I'll try with the transition. So one slide first, then I'll try the transition. It's very difficult, very difficult with the front wheel drive, but still I'll be trying. And of course the i20 is a very capable car, I should say, to do all these stuffs.